How to delete a draft on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually delete your draft videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have tried to upload a video before, but then you simply saved it to your draft instead of uploading right away. And in order to delete that draft video, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the TikTok application. Come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right hand side. Here at the pinned section, you'll find the option called drafts, which means all of your draft videos right before all of your posted posts. So in order to delete it, just tap on the draft, select the draft that you would like to delete, or tap on the select option from the top right, choose the draft because since there could be other videos as well, and tap on the delete option from the bottom. And once you do that, it'll ask you for a confirmation, delete draft, so just tap on the delete option again. And that's all it takes to delete a draft on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.